Ready to measure your MirrorMate frame? Relax, it's pretty simple. There are just 3 steps. All you need are the measuring worksheet you can print out from our website and a tape measure. Step 1 is to measure the width and height of the mirror. Step 2, measure the distance from the edge of the mirror to the nearest walls, outlet, backsplash, or light fixture. This mirror has more than 5/8 of an inch on the top and sides, so just enter 5/8 plus on the form. If you have less than 5/8 of an inch, enter the exact measurement. Many mirrors sit on the backsplash. When this occurs, enter 0 on the form. Finally, if your mirror has clips or a metal strip, no problem. The recess in our patented design goes right over it. That's it. Now you're ready to place your order.